Hello. Hello there. Hello. It's your old pal, Beatrix Eglantine Aurthurson, a completely original character I created, just like Mickey Mouse. Now, I wanted to invite you to my new stand-up comedy show, Bea Arthur is Judging You. There will be stand-up comedy. There will be live singing. There will be Arthur. I'm going to read you, not read to you, read you. And if you don't know what that means, Google it. Look up, what was his name? Don Rickles. Or, Joan Rivers. Or even Bianca Del Rio. Alright, that's the nature of the program. We're going to talk about stuff, and then I'm going to talk about you. Hey! And I may sing at you.
For love you just in time. You found me just in time. And changed my funny life. Lovely day. Just in
And then we're all gonna leave. All right? Bea Arthur is Judging You, coming to a comedy place near-ish to you. Buy a ticket, please, because pre-sale is how I get my own personal value. All right? Even if you don't go, just buy a ticket. Buy two. Buy the thrice of them. All right? Thank you for being a friend. They should make that a song.
Just in time.